Good evening. Tis I, Nicoliotis, and Summer, the dog, on day 58 of lockdown. I don't have much memory on the phone. Again, I'm having that crisis and I just don't know how to fix it because I don't know where it all accumulates. So, I have to make this quick because this is the fourth take and I get interrupted mid-sentence. So let's see maybe if I can actually get things right. The pause is on the Spanish video, and I ventured to this corner where my violinist plays, and to hear the people dancing with the big speakers. And today there was silence. And I was like, what's going on? Are we losing? Are we losing? Are we losing faith in humanity? And then the neighbors who actually put the music saw me, and they're like, "Oh, hi! You've been around for a few days." I'm like, "Yeah, sure. I've been exploring the rest of Madrid and seeing what people do." And they're like, "Oh, what does it look like?" I said, "Well, it's beautiful how each street has its own thing, but this for me is the most genuine because you really see the unity of neighbors." So that leads me, it's a nice way to segue efficiently in the short time that I have into the concept of one of the things that I've noticed as a learning or as a lesson or as a criticism of how we dealt with this reality, and that is unity. Where there has been unity, there has been success. Where there has been disunity, and where there has been bickering and arguing, instead of coming together, rallying around this crisis, there has been failure. This is evident in the United States, I'm sorry to say, how there was not a one united policy across the country, and how it still isn't the case when you've got some de-escalation measures in cities whose infection rate has actually still not peaked. So it's worrying to see these things. Also worrying to see how the European Union did not act in a united front and to deal with as a one continent with this threat that has so badly affected us. And then in Spain, one of the things I was talking to the neighbors about just now was that at 9 o'clock in the richer neighborhoods I've been to, people come out with pots and pans and bang to criticize and ask for the renunciation of the current government. I don't understand why people would be so critical and destructive when right now what is needed is unity. What right now is needed is empathy and, constructive criticism. Not constantly knocking down people and constantly, just being human, man. I'm just tired of conflict and people people doing same old shit, different times, different day. This monument here, interestingly, and actually speaks straight to the point, is the only monument to the Republic of Spain, which existed from 1932 to 1936, after it was torn apart by a brutal, fractious civil war, and which resulted in the dictatorship. This is the only monument to that moment in Spanish history. This is ironic, though. Not ironic, it's sad that, something that's so important and affected the history of this country only has a tiny little faucet in its name. And that just demonstrates a lack of unity in terms of how the Spanish react in their political lives on a daily basis. And I see that playing out time and again. And to me, it's frightening that we don't rally together around these things. Because we have much worse challenges coming up ahead. COVID was a nice training for the climate and ecological breakdown, which will lead to a civilizational breakdown. So I just feel that from this we need to see how unity has been a key factor in the success story, and how disunity has been a downfall of many governments and has led to the deaths of hundreds of thousands of people. So that speaks a lot, speaks volumes. And I'm standing right now in Nelson Mandela Square, which was named after him after he died in 2013. He is the perfect example of what people can do when they come together. I mean, South Africa was ripped apart by race, and he came and said, no, we need to be together because what I did to you, I did to myself.